Welcome to problem 35 from the June 2016 Algebra 2 exam. In this question, we're looking at some data that shows what percentage of students would prefer a DJ at a prom compared to a band. For the first part of the question, we need to determine a plausible interval containing the middle 95% of the data. So in order to do that, we're going to look at the mean, which is here, being 0.602, and we're going to both add and subtract 2 of the standard deviations to get that 95% interval. So we're going to take the mean and both add and subtract 2 of the standard deviations, being 0.066. So when we subtract, we get a lower bound of 0.47. And for the upper bound, if we add those, we get 0.73. So between that interval contains 95% of the data. Now for part 2 of the question, it tells us that members of the committee are concerned that a vote of all students attending the prom may produce a 50% split. Explain what statistical evidence supports this concern. Well, looking at the interval here, you'll notice that 50%, or 0.50, falls within that interval. So it's totally possible that it could happen, a 50-50 split. So for a quick little explanation, I've just written down that 50%, or 0.50, is within that 95% confidence interval, so it is possible to get a split vote. All right. That answers everything, and that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.